Hi everyone. My best day of school was my last day. Unfortunately, I didn't enjoy school and the whole learning and studying process. And certainly as a result, I didn't benefit from it. But as a Christian, we need to recognize how we are called to grow and to be transformed into the image of Christ. And that this is a process. Just as a building has the plans that have drawn up, the architect will give all the details, the quantity surveyor will talk about all the materials to be used, foundations are laid, then there's the walls, then there's this and that, and it's a whole process to get to the finished product. You and I are work in progress. God is dealing with our lives. Sometimes we understand things quickly. Sometimes things make sense and we accept what God is wanting to do. Other times it's slow going, it's hard going, but it's a learning process. Interestingly, in Hebrews chapter 5, it talks of Jesus and it says, though he was a son, yet he learned obedience by the things he suffered. He learned obedience by the things he suffered. Paul says in Philippians chapter 4, he says that all the hardship that he's going through is helping him, and he is learning in whatever situation to be content. Learning. It didn't just get it straight away, doesn't just understand, see the light immediately, but it's a process of learning. And as a Christian, we are learning. We're learning more of the grace of God. How? Because there are difficult times. The Apostle Paul comes to the Lord and says, Lord, my problem, my thorn is too much. And God says, my grace is sufficient for you. That didn't just come in a blur in a moment of time. He went, not once, not twice, 3 times, maybe more. Learning the faithfulness of God. How do we learn that God is faithful unless we find ourselves in a situation which is tough, where nothing seems to work, nothing is making sense? How do we come to the reality? It's learning. So my question to you and to myself this morning is, am I willing to learn? Do I have a heart that is looking to God and saying, Lord, I want to learn. I don't want to go through my whole Christian life and miss out because I've been stubborn, because I've been hard-hearted, hard-headed. I've had my own will, my own opinions. No, I want to learn. I want to come to the place where one day I can face you and know that I'm graduated with full honors. I've learned. God bless you.